Hi there, Amy Mantis here, and for the next 100 days you will see a new video on this channel every day. Either a cover song or an original song, doesn't matter, as long as by January 1st, by December 31st, there are 100 more videos on this page than there are today. So, I'm going to start us off with Yellow by Coldplay. Hope you enjoy it. Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and all the things you do. If they were all yellow, I came along, I wrote a song for you. Oh, what a thing to do. And it was called Yellow. So then I took my time. Oh, what a thing to do. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And you know I love you so. You know I love you so. I swam across, I jumped across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. 'Cause you were all yellow. Oh, I drew a line. Oh, I drew a line for you. Oh, what a thing to do. It's all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And you know, for you I bleed myself dry. For you I bleed myself dry. It's true. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And all the things you do. Thanks so much for tuning in, and check back tomorrow for yet another video. Have a good one.